Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by the Black Rose. She Talks to Angels. Alright, cool. So let's do this. Let's talk about the tuning first, and then the basic chords. And then let's do the hard stuff at the very end, the intro. That's quite hard. Alright, so we got to tune the guitar. Let's go to open E tuning. So you should see E from the low strings. And then you should see a B. And then you should see another E. And then you should see a G sharp. And then the B and the E string are the same. So low E, B and E are the same. You got to retune the A string, the D string, and the G. Okay? So we have this for the verses. So that's 1 G, 2 A. 2, 3. When the drums kick in, we go to so that's 7th fret E, skip the A string, and 7 D, 7 G. So you gotta kind of mute the A string with your second finger. Move that shape down to 5. Fret. And then we have one more part. We got the bridge, which is so now we got 5, skip the A string again, and 7 7 on D and G. Okay, cool. So that's the basics of the song, the chords and the rhythm and stuff. We got that intro, which is, it's gonna take a while to explain this. So that's starting on the G string on 8th fret. Actually, you slide from 7 on the G string. And then land on 8, and then it's 7 5 3, and then open G, pull on, and then pull on the 1st fret G, open B, open E, back to G string, and then open G, open D, and then got these things. Chimes? I forgot what it's called. Harmonics. So that's 12 DG and 7 DG. You can actually hit all the strings from the D string. And now we got a little funny thing coming up here. Sliding from 2 to 4 on the D string. Then open B string. And then 3, pull off D string. 5, pull off. So 3, 5, 3. With that's G string and high E string. 8, 7, 5, 3, 1, open, 2 D, and that. Okay. No 2, just after open G, open D, and then let's do that whole thing. It's quite complex. Alright, let's do it again. I need to practice it too. And then chords. And harmonics. Led Zeppelin. Not easy, but it's very nice. And so remember, you got to tune open E. Otherwise, you won't get the same. You can't get the harmonics, and you can't get the same sound if you don't tune it like this. Okay, guys, thank you. Have fun with this. It's quite a challenge, but it's cool. All right, talk to you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you.